All right, it's Friday, May 10th. I'm going to buy some Meta 480 puts here, 998. This is into next week. You can see the opening price action kind of started out a little gapping up, had the kind of the two up, two down, taking out the first bar low here. So I'm buying the puts here, looking for a two up failure. If we kind of look at the, this is the 15-minute chart again, kind of working lower, taking out the pre-market lows, failing on the first bar to the downside. And in the big picture, this is a daily chart that's been up a whole bunch of days in a row, but I'll show you in a second why that's just inside price action on a larger time frame. Now you're getting the two up potential failure. If we can follow through a little bit lower, get through the halfway point of that prior day, we could be getting an outside day to the downside. What you have here is kind of after that gap down after earnings, you have the inside bar last week. We went up a little bit this week inside this big red bar. So it's due for some choppiness in this whole area. So after kind of moving up, and then with that weak opening today, we could have the beginning of a, if we follow through, a little bit this morning, we can get to the halfway point of that bar and maybe start getting that pullback. So I'm going to play the the puts here on bar number 3, just given the way price action's unfolding. If we just get a little follow through the midpoint of this bar, then maybe we could be making higher highs and kind of lower lows, at least in the short run. And in the big picture, maybe we're just going to be still consolidating a lot inside this big red bar after a big gap down that brought in buying. There's no doubt about it, but it's due for a little bit of exhaustion risk. So let's just see if we get the follow through lower this morning here on Meta in 2 pushes down. Key will be focusing on whether we take out the halfway point of the prior day.